Looking for the best blender for smoothies in 2026? Tired of chunky smoothies and weak blenders that can't crush ice properly? Today we're comparing three amazing options. First, the NutriBullet Ultra Personal Blender. With a powerful 1,200-watt motor and titanium-coated blades, it delivers smooth and quiet performance. Second, the Colarlemo Smoothie Blender. It reaches 25,000 revolutions per minute and comes with multiple portable cups, making it perfect for busy lifestyles. Third, the NutriBullet Countertop Blender. Featuring a large 64-ounce pitcher and multiple speeds, it's ideal for families and food prep. So, which one is right for you? For premium quality, choose the NutriBullet Ultra. For the best budget option, go with Colarlemo. And for versatility and larger batches, the NutriBullet Countertop Blender is the winner. Check the links below for the latest prices and customer reviews before buying.